खुलुमखा जतनो no ani channel o engkai norok tomo no ani channel o subscribe khlaijak yakho subscribe khlai di ang tebo katal job advertisement te online information related video sanamo norok ni bagai engkai phaidi nailai na tini omo engkai kaisa notification rejakha iko naidi application omo assistant public iko naidi prosecutor kaisa post tai assistant public same no bojaga ongka mo kaisa Amarpur Gumoti district o kaisa nai naidi court of judicial magistrate first class at Amarpur o kaisa gaeta kaisa angkai executive magistrate court at Udaipur Gumoti district Amarpur o kaisa Udaipur o kaisa talangjangnai assistant public prosecutor Garo kaini post tongo engkai naidi oro sajak je candidate interested tongnai borok 12 tarikh ni sikang 12 January 2022 ni sikang noni je documents related documents tongmani abo tlang thangdi iko Udaipur iko jagao DMN collector Gumoti district Udaipur 12 tarikh ni sikang noni je documents tlang thangdi Garo rejaka naidi kaini post assistant public prosecutor o jagao angka naidi candidate must have a degree in law of any recognized university tai nini enroll khlaijak na nangnai advocate with bar counseling of Tripura nini bar counseling o nini register khlaijak na nangnai Garo eligibility naidi candidate must have experience chongna nangnai in practicing on the criminal side as an advocate for not less than 3 years 3 years ni engkai ingya gobang engkai experience tongkai mo preference rejangnai engkai naidi total number of case of pori naidi total number case amro engke oro naidi the sajaka the candidate must submit in signed original application by iko 5:30 pm 12 tarikh ni sikang maranai engkai ulo nini original documents boro check khlaijak mani pore ning incorrect ro engkai ning nini jespan incorrect ro dekha engkai nini reject khaimano omo venue o jaga tongnai omo ulo sajangnai je interview bo phurung omo sajangnai engkai boni website ko naidi website angri rwana description link ko narok thangi naidi iko boni engkai je aro kaini telang tongo Udaipur o kaisa Amarpur o kaisa oro je law porijak degree in law khlaijak tai bar council of Tripura o je ni enroll khlaijak tongnai bor apply khlaimano experience hanjaka 3 bosorni gobang experience tongkaise oro mannai gangkai omo je qualification tongnai torudi gangkai share khlaibi tomung noni ni dol rok haike ni family rogo mo khlaijak mo degree khlaijak tongkhangkai borok no share khlaidi borok reimanang thung gangkai tinin bagai amsung no jotono no hambai